Hey guys, again, this is Dara. So today we're gonna learn the Khmer alphabets and consonant with the second series here. So this is do. So we combine do with the vowel with the second series the same. Just remember that second series the vowel will sound with the second series also. So do, dear, di, d, do, 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 dear, de, da, day, do, dum, dom, dam, de, du, de, do. Và cháu đứa trẻ đà đi na đàm trì ta đúng cho chạm chào. So ta đúng cho chạm chào the picture. So ta đúng is grandfather đúng is standing for his grandchildren. Và cháu đứa trẻ đà. So this is cháu đứa grandson đứa know how to walk. Dina damchi. So Dina is growing herbs. And then tho here. Tho. So tho, thía, thích, thí, thức, thứ, thúc, thú, thúa, thớ, thứ, thía, thế, thế, thầy, thố, thớ, thúm, thúm, thóm, thia, thu, thế, thọ. Và thiêm ra cháu thí chăm ta đùm. So thiêm is a type of bird in this picture. Say thiêm ra in Khmer. Okay. The next one is to and to. To. So to, tía, tí, tí, tức, tứ, túc, tú, tú, tứ, tứ, tía, thế, thế, thấy, thở, thử, thúng, thống, thóm, thia, thu, thế, thua. Tìa, tì, tu, thìa, thum, từ, tùm, thu, tỉa, từ, tổ tỉa, và tổ tỉa, ti tầy, sa thụ, tu tử, tô tề, tô tù, đo tầy, sa tổ, khao sộ thìa thủ, tổ tía há, tơ tì tầy. So cow, so Tia Tu in this picture, cow it means pants. So Tia is the name of this boy. Tu is like loose. Tu it means cabinet. Tum for animal like to stay on. Totia, this is the name of this animal, but Totia. Okay. Review here. Okay, we have a review here. So riêng xa language here. So do, to. Okay. So đi, đứ, đúng, tu, tế, tứ, túm, thống, tứ, tế, tố, tí tầy, tổ tu, tá, đúng, tỉa đài, tổ tí hà, tứ, tí tầy. So exercise here. Cho so say pi ở trơ nâng rút khẳng krām. They want to write the letter to match these pictures. Right, this is tu, this is tum, this is sat to tia. And cho so say tam an chấm long pi chấm long pram dong ba. Okay, this is kind of dictation. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoy these lessons, and please practice reading by yourself also at home. Okay. So this is what we learned this morning. Okay, great. Thank you very much. So hope you have a good day. Goodbye.